With a 3 horsepower motor, the Tempest is loaded with features and built for performance. Our patented wave action system forces the mixture down into the blade, breaking ice down from a granita texture into a creamy drink profile. 2 speeds, along with the pulse function and timer, enable operators to create any texture desired, while the jump cycle first breaks down ice chunks at a lower speed and then jumps to high in order to finish your drink to perfection. The Tempest is built to last through repeated uses and applications over time. A jar pad sensor will turn the motor off when the jar is not in place to prevent careless clutch grinding and extend the life of the jar. The temperature gauge alerts you before the motor overheats, preventing unnecessary burnout. A cool-down cycle ensures that the motor is ready to continue. The rugged stainless steel construction of the blade and motor drive coupling mean increased reliability and longevity. In fact, Hamilton Beach Commercial is so confident in their performance that we offer a lifetime warranty for both. Plus, we offer 3 years parts and labor on the unit. We know you value cleanliness. Simply remove the jar pad to reveal the all-metal motor drive coupling in the flat-sealed surface, which is designed to make the Tempest fast and easy to clean. Available worldwide, the Tempest is more good thinking from Hamilton Beach Commercial.